Which subject is tough for your child?
Is it mathematics?
Are you finding it difficult to guide them effectively in maths? Not getting enough time to support your child at their homework?
Tired of searching for tuitions? We have a perfect solution for you.
Learners India, your perfect math companion.
Drive away the fear of maths and be a master of it.
Tell me, I'll forget. Teach me, I may remember. Involve me, and I'll learn. Well said by Benjamin Franklin. And that's all we do.
An online platform to make your kid involved in math activities and master it. Experience the excellence of next generation e-learning methodology.
Maths is all about practice. The more you practice, the perfect you become. Learners India is a perfect solution for you to practice mathematics with the guidance of best teacher at your home, your pace and convenience. Build a stronger basis in maths with video lessons, animated graphics and interactive learning. We are available on Play Store, App Store and web.
An all device friendly online learning platform.
Log into the website through www.learnersindia.com. There are 3 types of accounts with us: student, teacher, and parent. You can use your respective account using the registered mail ID and password. Now let us try to log in as a student. This is your profile. Now let us see its features. The first one is notification. Here you get notified if an answer to your question is received. In the My Profile, you can view, add, or delete your profile details. My Questions. You will get all the questions that you have asked with its answers. Now, the main part of our system, the interactive video lessons. You can select your chapter and topics from the index and view your required portions directly. Are you scared of asking doubts to your teachers? First thing, no doubts is a blunder. So be courageous to ask the doubts. Our system offers you to type or scan your doubt and send it to the panel of teachers just like in WhatsApp. You will get your answers in your inbox as soon as possible. Now the exercises. Select the chapters and you will get a number of questions to practice here. You can try doing it yourself or hit the hint button for a direction to proceed. In View Answer, you can cross-check your answer finally. Boost your confidence by trying to solve the previous year's question paper before your exams. You can now test your understanding by taking a test. Here you will get a question and 4 options. You may select the correct one and see your score. Correct answer will be displayed immediately after you select your answer. This will help you cross-check the steps that you followed. Please note that scores of the test will be intimated to your parents if connected with your account. You can take an infinite number of tests to increase your confidence. Are you tired of learning in conventional ways? Then try our games. This is made in the format of KBC. Kaun Banega Crorepati. Here you will enjoy the max learning and will increase your competence by learning to answer within a particular time. We are now available for standards 8, 9 and 10 of CBSE and Kerala syllabus, both Malayalam and English medium. The previous year's question papers and model question papers with guided answers will be made available as soon as it is published by the respective agencies. The parent can monitor their ward's learning graph online. In future, there will be live webinars with eminent personalities in the field of maths and will be conducted frequently. Recap or synopsis shall be uploaded for easy reference before examinations. Skill development by practicing higher order question in shortest possible time shall be introduced. The teacher module will be added to elevate the school functioning to a smart level by introducing a smart communication feature between school, teachers, students, and parents.